Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to fix Tomarket not connecting to Bitget. Let's begin. First, update the Telegram app and your Bitget wallet from Play Store or App Store. Next, clear cache of both apps from your phone settings. After that, close both the Bitget and Telegram apps from the background. Once both are closed, open Telegram again and go to your Tomarket app. If Tomarket still isn't connecting to Bitget, try using a VPN. Download any VPN app and connect to a foreign server, preferably in the US. Then reopen the Tomarket app and try connecting again. If the regular VPN doesn't work, install XVPN. Open it, select the UDP protocol, and connect to the server. This method usually helps resolve the connection issue. Once connected, go back to the Tomarket app, tap on AirDrop, then Connect Wallet. Approve the connection request. If everything was followed correctly, your wallet should now be connected. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.